Greetings everyone, this is Tom from RedHaven Paranormal. Tonight I'm going to do a real short session and I'm going to go over a few things. I've had some people contact me wanting to know about these apps that I use, how can they understand them better. I'm going to tell you how I learn. And this is going to be straight from the point and everything else. First off, start off with a free app. I'll tell you that much right now. When I started off, my very first app was the Echo Vox. Now, it was a great app. I love using it, but as a beginner, it was hard for me to do. Get one of the free apps when you're not wasting your money on it. And this way you know that, hey, it's free. I can work with it. It didn't cost me any money. Now, second of all, how can you better understand what comes through these apps? Well, for me, it was that I got an audio editor, and there's dozens of them out there. Some of them are free, then you can pay for them, then you get the extra stuff that goes with them. But there are some out there that are free. I suggest you check it out. I will leave a couple links down below as to some of the ones that I used when I began doing this. Second of all, or maybe third, losing track, getting old. Always show the spirit respect. I know for me, I'm going to be treated with respect. I'm pretty sure you want to be treated with respect. So why not treat the spirits with respect? Be nice and be kind to them when you talk to them. Don't order them. Don't show it at them. Just be nice, and they will respond. When you record your sessions, if you're doing video such as this and you're recording it, when you go to edit it, your app that your editor should have where you can slow the audio down. And as such, listen to it. Slow it down, just little bit by little bit by little bit. Sometimes I've found that you have to speed it up a little bit in order to catch the words right. Because sometimes the words drag out and sometimes they come out real quick. Use that function in that video editor to slow it down and speed it up. Also, get a good pair of headphones. These are an absolute must when you're going over your recordings and your videos. Always use good headphones. Okay. Next, once you get into that, once you get to that point where, hey, I can start making out them words. Hold on. Take a notebook, a pen, and a pen, and as you're editing, as you're listening, write down that what you hear. Write down at 1 minute and 26 seconds, hello. 1 minute 59 seconds. How you doing? Just on your sheet so that when you go back and watch your video or listen to your audio, you've got the list and you can go down through it. Remember, key point when you're learning to do this, pencil, paper. And trust me, that's how I learned to start doing this, and that's how I got better at listening to it. Because then I was catching the words more, and I go, yep, that's what I heard. Some people say, hey, it wasn't a direct reply. These apps are bull, they're not worth the money. What I'm saying, start with a free app before you invest in other apps, such as I did. I mean, I've started out spending money to learn to do it instead of learning to do it for free. Now, I have no regrets on how I did it. I think it's increased my perception of what these apps do. I know a lot of people out there think I use the Necrophonic quite a bit when I do this. If you ask me, this is a great app. The Necrophonic app, it's a great app. I get a lot of people say, oh, it doesn't work, you know, you can't hear. I've gotten direct replies through it. Are you having a good evening? No. Why not? So, I hope everybody that this video helps you and then gives you some more information. I'm going to do a quick session on this. I'll catch you in a minute as I start the session using the Necrophonic app. Catch you in a minute. Okay, so we're going to start this session, see if we can't contact a few spirits and see if we can't get a hold of them and see how their evening is going. How about that? We'll ask them a few questions. I got a few. Hello, spirits. Hi. Hey. This is Tom. How are you all doing this evening? I welcome you in. I have candles lit. I have the crystals. How do you like my picture above you? So, spirits, I have a few questions for you. I welcome you in. I am channeling the white light for you to use as energy. Only the good. Sorry about that. My battery died. I had to redo and put a new battery in the camera. Are you sucking some energy out of it? If you need some energy, like I said, there's the candles and the crystals. You're more than welcome to use them. Now, I have a few questions. Maybe you can help me. There is a subscriber of mine, and they would like to know what is spirits. I have a subscriber, and they would like to know what is the spirit's name that keeps trying to contact them. Can you help me with this? Can you give me the name? Can you give me the name of the spirit that's trying to contact them? They live in the UK. Is it a male spirit trying to contact? Or a female spirit trying to contact them? Is it a family member? A friend? perhaps someone from another life. Is MJ trying to contact them? From what I understand, that they have conversations every now and then during sessions, and he comes through. Is that true? Is he the one trying to contact them? Can you tell me their name? The person I'm talking about. Can you tell me their first name? Okay. Thank you. You're welcome also. How many spirits are here? How many spirits are here? Can you tell me that? Are any of you spirits lost? Would you like me to see if I can't contact the Archangel Michael to help you? Would you like that help? Do you want him to come? Would you like him to come and help you? Thank you, spirits. This is going to be short. I'm not going to stay much longer, another minute maybe. Can you tell me when you pass from this world into the next world, does it hurt? Does it hurt when you pass? Or is it just like floating away? Mike. Are you answering one of the questions from earlier? Okay, spirits. I'm going to end this. To count of 3. You can count with me if you would like. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. My name is Tom, and I thank you very much. My name is Tom. Do you want to go? Do you want me to go? Or do you want me to stay? Do you like talking? Do you like speaking? Coming through this way? Okay. I'm going to end this. I have to get going. So, I thank you for coming. I thank everybody. I thank all the spirits. I want you to have a good evening. Peace and love. Goodbye. Okay, everybody. I hope that this session paid out a little bit, and from what I can hear, I got a few replies right off the bat. So, remember, all we need to do is listen. This is Tom from RedHaven Paranormal. I want to thank you again, and I want to thank everybody for joining me and watching this video. If you are first time on this site and you've gotten something out of it that you can use, please remember, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, leave your comments as to what you did hear, or what you think you might have heard or didn't hear, and what I put in when I edit this. I thank you all very much from the bottom of my heart for joining this channel, and for all the subscribers that are out there and that have subscribed to me and watch my content. I thank you very much for it. It means so much to me that you guys are supporting me just by watching and hitting that like button and leaving your comments. I thank you all. And I want to thank my wife, Karen. I want to thank my beautiful wife, who is sitting over there. Until the next time, this is Tom saying, everybody has something to say, living and dead. All we need to do is learn to listen. Take care. Godspeed. God love. Bye.